The first TV broadcasting facility was established in 1955 and initially introduced and provided its broadcasting services to the public with its analog system. Over the periods of times, many countries start their transitions to digital television. Thailand's NBTC also advocated for this change in accordance with the missions of ITU. As agreed by the AMRI panels, the standards of DVB-T would be adopted as the broadcasting standards in ASEAN's regions. The AMRI panels have then made an agreement on terminating analog broadcasting services. As a result, in 2014, NBTC has begun to implement the transition from the analog system to the digital television within 4 years.
การใหม่ที่คุ้มค่ากว่ากับดิจิทัล
ตามชมไทย PBS ในระบบดิจิทัลที่ช่องหมายเลข 3
เริ่มปรับปรุงระบบส่งสัญญาณเป็นดิจิทัลเต็มรูปแบบและจะยุติการออกอากาศในระบบแอนาล็อกแบบเดิม13สถานี
NBTC then distribute digital television coupons in order to support the people in buying digital television set-top box. It has been 6 decades already that the analog broadcasting has been in service in Thailand, covering almost all areas in the country. Thailand has now entered the era of digital TV broadcasting with 168 station networks providing their services since March 2018, covering all areas of the country in compliance with NBTC's analog to digital television transition plan.